27 degrees it is, and that is for the end of October. Beautiful weather out here in Benidorm today. In fact, last week already we had temperatures of 30 degrees a few days ago. And tomorrow will be another beautiful one with 27. Who would have expected that? We hit 30 at the end of October, wow. So yeah, as I've said, the end of October, wow. Beautiful weather. Has been way too long since I've enjoyed a little bit of it. And as well since I made a video for the channel. So today I thought like, well, I need to go to the supermarket, so it's a Lidl near the Melia. Why not take you guys with me on the walk towards there? Some beautiful weather, and on the way towards there as well, I can show you guys the new bar. How the construction is going along the red door next to the place they're building a new bar. I'll show you some sights of how Benidorm is doing this Friday. With the gorgeous weather we have, wow. Palm trees, the beach. It really is stunning. See, I'm not planning to pause the video or anything, so you guys can get a good look how the area is doing. And as well, on the way towards there, then have a peek at how the construction is going at that new place. Hoping it's gonna be a bar, I assume it. Also, I'll talk more about it when I get closer towards there, why I assume it's gonna be a bar. In the meantime, enjoy the sights and everything around here in Benidorm on this Friday afternoon. let's get towards the other side of the road. Got the indoor market. Well, it is quite late, it is past 5 already, so it has been closed. And most of the folks around right now will be heading back towards their hotel after a day at the beach or anything, and getting ready for dinner. Or maybe towards a bar later tonight. They are quite busy, especially in the weekends. But as well during the week. It's Benidorm is doing good. Now the bar is a bit further on. There we got the supermarket first, but that's another one. I want to head towards the Lidl, not the Muzzy Mus. Got the KFC on the other side, and I need to explore those streets again. I believe there's even a new bar up there in the Quai de Londres. The one that was having some construction going on was empty for a while. It has been occupied by now, so I have to check that out anytime soon. Okay, there we go, got the red door. And since this bar has opened up not that long ago already, not even a year, it has been doing very well. As you can see, quite some crowds around today. That's been very busy. On the opposite, there is the green door, right around there somewhere. But over here, I believe this is going to be a new bar, because this, it will be a perfect spot for it. Usually during the daytime, especially in summer. Right now in winters, the sun is a bit lower, so you won't have the sun around that much on the terrace. But over there at the red door, isn't this the same case? And it's always been filled up since opening. So I guess down here as well. And I would guess as well that it is from the same owners as the red door and the green door. Because if someone else would get that huge plot back there and build a bar, then there would be lots of competition, so better keep it for themselves. But I think the chain of them, the red door, green door, golden dollar, silver dollar and everything, it's all the same company. I think they bought it as well, and they're completely renovating it and making it another new big bar out of it. So they get actually the monopoly position around here. And this area is doing really well since it has opened up. Getting much more alive, much more people walking through here. Especially if there are 3 big bars around there. That definitely would help. So yeah, that is my theory, but it could be something else. I believe there was a Sabadell bank inside of it. But right now it does look a lot like a new bar that is coming up. Could be a new restaurant as well. Something. Who knows? Guess we'll find out in a few weeks. Because they're working quite fast over there. In the meantime, we still have all the other bars around here. On my left, Big Ben and Union Jack coming up. And of course a Chinese Euro shop, I believe, yeah. You still can get some things for €1, but of course everything has gotten more expensive over here. Even those shops. And further on over you still got just your old-fashioned tourist stalls and everything. I believe they're gonna stay here forever, these things. They still have those t-shirts out. can see the Melia Hotel already on the left. First we got the sun terrace, no sun here, over here right now. But yeah, it's getting more towards the winter time, and that means the sun is a bit lower on the sky. So not more that much from above, so if you have some shade by some huge buildings, like over here is the case, then yeah, the terrace will be in the shade. Still, breakfast prices haven't changed, I believe, at least. Further on, a big roundabout over here with Sizzler House, China Garden, and the other Red Lion. Got the Melia. They have quite some sun. Big promotion over here on the side of the building for Five Guys burgers. That chain has been doing all as well, quite alright. Over here the Red Lion on the left. Slowly on, getting busy for tonight. Yeah, it is noticeable quite some folks lately have been going for those other bars instead of going for the strip. More people are seeking other places than the famous strip to enjoy the night out. It's more and more. That is also the reason why I think that new area around here in the Rincon, Red Door, Green Door, those bars that are getting much more busier as well. And there we have my stop, my ending stop, the Lidl supermarket. Finally some AC again. Yeah, it's quite warm still, 27 degrees today. Big Melia Hotel. So yeah, I'm gonna head inside and then get my groceries for the night and probably as well for the day after. I have to go towards Crossroad over there. So let's get towards there and then towards the supermarket for me. So yeah, it has been a while since I've done a video, I believe more than a week even. Last one was El Campello. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give a like, it does greatly help the channel, and do subscribe for more. As well, want to see more videos? If you haven't seen the one from El Campello, a nice little cute town from Benidorm. No, not from Benidorm, next to Benidorm, like a half-hour drive. Check out this video over here. And click the icon, my new logo over here, to subscribe. Thank you all.